Hi friends, this is Sathvikrao and welcome back to my channel. For more interesting stuff, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. Friends, earlier in my videos I unboxed two Bluetooth speakers named as LG Bluetooth speaker and basic Bluetooth speaker. Today in this video I am gonna compare these two Bluetooth speaker and see which speaker wins. If you missed the unboxing of these two Bluetooth speaker, you can click the icon here and you will be taken straight away to that unboxing videos. So without any delay, let's begin. Friends, these are the two Bluetooth speaker. The one in my right hand is LG Bluetooth speaker and one in left hand is basic Bluetooth speaker. So now we'll compare the capacities of this Bluetooth speaker and see which one wins. Friends, can you guess which Bluetooth speaker gonna win? Here is a poll. Click on the icon and you can get the poll option and select which Bluetooth speaker wins. Let's see. Are you guessing right or wrong? Friends, a surprise is waiting for you. Please do not skip the video and watch until the last to know what the surprise is. I think all the viewers will going to freak out by listening to this surprise. Friends, let's play songs individually in both the speakers and check the performance of these speakers. Friends, first let's play the song in this LG speaker. So listen. Friends, you listen the sound quality of LG. So I'll play the same song and the same beat in the basic speaker. Friends, now listen to the sound quality of basic speaker. Friends, you have listened to the basic speaker. Friends, for me, LG Bluetooth speaker played a good role in playing the music while compared to the basic speaker, because LG speaker played the music in a great and higher tone with super quality, but in basic speaker the speaker played the music greater, but it has small breakthroughs and some small breakages in the music. When you listen the song played by the basic Bluetooth speaker, you can know there are some small breakthroughs, but it's up to me. LG is the winner. Friends, comment me and let me know that which speaker did you like the most. Friends, at the beginning of the video I said that all my viewers had a small surprise. The surprise is nothing but I am conducting a giveaway contest of a product worth 4,500 rupees for free for my viewers. For that, you have to participate in the giveaway contest. The further information will be provided in the next video, and some details like how to participate in the giveaway contest. Friends, to know what's the product I'm giving away in the next episode, please do watch my video continuously and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to know that when I upload the next video. Friends, until then, keep smiling. I'm signing off. Bye bye.